Hello, I'm Matt Landis with Landis Technologies, and today I'd like to talk about Skype for Business and Microsoft Cognitive Services technology helping to connect people. We've been investigating at Landis Technologies how cognitive services can assist in the Skype for Business receptionist scenario, and we want to show you some things coming out of our R&D lab. The scenario that we have is we've answered a call, greeted the caller, and now we're ready to transfer the caller by selecting the relevant contact. We are at the point that the caller is going to make their request. But first, I want to go over the user interface. One of the things you'll notice if you are familiar with Attendant Pro is that we've added a new panel. And this panel will show how Cognitive Services parses out the user's request. We'll notice that right here. And then it will also show contacts right in this panel that are the likely contacts based on Cognitive Services and the intelligence we've developed. With a high level of confidence, it'll show what contacts the user likely will want to transfer to. This panel can be collapsed out of the way if users don't want to use this feature to maintain a nice, clean user interface. Now we're going to go ahead and let the caller make their request. So we're just going to let the remote user know that go ahead, make your request. And they're going to say something like, "Hello, this is Paul. I'd like to hello, I'd like to be transferred to Paul." So let them go ahead and do that. All right, there you notice that it in real time using there it did it. We noticed that real-time cognitive service was able to do a pretty good job of parsing out the request. Actually, an excellent job in this case. Not all names are as good as Paul Martin. But once again, we are combining this request information that Microsoft Cognitive Services can parse out, along with other algorithms to make an intelligent list of contacts the receptionist will likely want to transfer the call to. Now, all you need to do is click. And actually, in this case, Paul Martin is number one. The highest level confidence is at the top and moving down from there. And we can just click on the contact and the transfer is done. And I'm just going to hang that up on my other call. So our goals as we designed this was no servers. We wanted to have a clean interface, number two, and we wanted to have meaningful suggestions. Letting cognitive services supplement other intelligence. And some things that we've noticed as we've been testing this functionality is that names are not necessarily cognitive services forte. There's some names, unless your name's John Smith, it could have some challenges. So not all names will be as perfect as Paul Martin that we used as the demo. Call quality also makes a lot of difference. If once again, this call was perfect audio quality, but call quality makes a big difference if you're on a cell phone somewhere else. And also, using more than one source of intelligence can up the confidence level greatly. As you noticed in our case, it got Paul Martin number one, but that was combining multiple items to get that high level of confidence. So once again, we're excited about how Skype for Business and Microsoft Cognitive Services technology can help connect people. Really, with Attendant Pro, the Skype for Business Attendant Console, we're about helping people, helping connect people, and we see Cognitive Services as helping to do that. And we'd also like to invite you to Microsoft Ignite. We'd like to show you the new things we're developing, and we'd like to show you our attendant console that's being used in a lot of places. We'd love to show that in person. We could love to see you at Ignite booth 2061. Thanks for watching.